Hey guys, it is Kristin Shelby from Indie Hip Chick and we are back with another video. So today's video I'm excited about. It is an eyeshadow palette review slash demo. So the palette I'm going to be reviewing today is the NARS Wanted palette. I saw it on Sephora's website and I absolutely loved it. And Crystal, my very best friend for all of life, bought it for me as a gift. So I am super excited to be reviewing this palette for you guys and showing you a look that I put together with it. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then stick around. Alrighty, so as you can tell, I already have done one eye off camera, so I'm gonna show you how to achieve the same look here on this other eye. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with a fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna take the color 7th Heaven and sweep that all just above my crease as my transition shade. So now I am going to take a little bit of Too Faced glitter glue and just a little dot on the back of my hand and my Sigma E17 waterline brush, and I'm going to use this to kind of outline everywhere that's like on the outside of the halo. So everywhere the green is on this eye, I'm going to outline that with glitter glue. So now I am going to take Delirium and put that on the outer and inner corners of my eye. Now I'm going to wipe off that Sigma E57 brush and go in with the color Wicked Game. And now I'm just going to kind of go in and do some little side-to-side motions and just try to blend in Wicked Game and Delirium. And now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and put a little bit of Delirium on it and just kind of blend again between those. And I'm going to do the same along the outer edges of Delirium just to kind of make them a little bit smoky and not quite as harsh of a line. I feel like I lost a little bit of my color while I was blending of that center lid color, so I'm just going to pack on a little bit more of that. And now for the color I'm super excited about. I am going to go in right over top of Wicked Game and I'm going to use the color Mendoza. Now Mendoza is like a coppery, glittery, beautiful type of color and I really like it, but I was playing with this palette a little bit before filming and I felt like it didn't really show up that great without Wicked Game underneath it. So that's what we went with. I was toying with the idea of just trying to apply it with glitter glue, but I didn't want to risk it and I really like the way it looks over Wicked Game, so here we are. And this shadow is super soft. It's like almost a creamy type of consistency. And it's weird because each color in the palette, depending on if it's a matte or shimmer or glitter, they each kind of feel a little bit different. And then I'm just going to go in with the fluffy brush and not adding any product. Just kind of blend out the edges between the two again. So I'm going to use Kat Von D ink liner for my eyeliner today. I have two of them and one of them's empty. And I wasn't sure which one. I didn't throw it away. So I think this is the right one, but I don't know. We'll see. Pick the right one. I think. And now I'm gonna pop on some mascara. Don't forget the mascara like I always do. I'm gonna use Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to coat my natural lashes. And then we're gonna go in with some Ardell Demi-wispy false lashes. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the Sephora Eye Contour Pencil in the color Black Lace and put that all along my waterline. So now I am going to take Delirium and put that on the tip of a flat shader brush, and I'm going to put it on the inner and outer corners, just like we did on the upper lashes. On the eyelid. And then for the inner part of my lower lash line, I'm gonna go back in with Wicked Game and Mendoza. And now I'm gonna finish off the lower lash line with some Better Than Sex mascara. Okay guys, so that is it for the makeup portion of this video. As far as the review goes and what I thought about the palette, I like it a lot. The only thing that I really wish would be different would be that, what's that color? Mendoza. I really like that color. The color that's like popping on the center of my lid. It gives me life. It's like a beautiful coppery kind of feel, but I don't like it by itself. I feel like too much of my skin shows through. It's not just a good individual shadow. It's more of like a topper kind of shadow. And I really wish there would have been like some more base pigment under the glitter so that that color could kind of shine on its own. I really do like how it ended up looking over top of the other shadow, so I can definitely work with it, and I may be able to use it alone over top of glitter glue, but that was just one thing that I didn't really care for. I wish it would have been a little bit more vibrant on its own. Other than that, I really like this palette. The shimmery and glittery shades are definitely a lot softer of the shadow. They're kind of more of a creamy kind of consistency, whereas the matte shades in the palette are more of like your traditional pressed powdery kind of consistency. So you kind of get a little bit of both worlds with this palette. And you can definitely do like some more glammy kind of looks and probably some good everyday looks with it as well. I'm extra, so I love the shimmery and glittery shades, so I will definitely be using this one in the future for some more glam, nighttime, going out kind of vibes. And I'm sure you'll see it again on the channel. So that is pretty much it for this video. As always, if you liked it, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.